What's up, guys? On this one we're going to try to buy some DogeCoin onto our Binance account. So if you don't have Binance account, you just go straight to the description of this video. You're gonna find a link that's going to help you go straight into Binance, and then you just download and then you sign in, and then you'll get some 10% on transaction fees, so that you won't have to pay a lot of transaction fees, because you'll be transacting a lot on this one. So make sure you get the link, and then you'll pay less fees. So let's get on to it. We want to buy some DogeCoin on Binance, right? So it doesn't matter where you at, man. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange you can find, right? So it doesn't matter where you at, you just have to come here, you buy some crypto, whatever you like. So we're here. So what we're going to exchange, we're going to exchange some BUSD with our DogeCoin, because we want to have some DogeCoin. So here's what we're going to do. The price of Doge now is about 3.3. It's going to be it looks like it's going to be $1 soon. So we don't know what this one has for us, right? So what we're going to do, I wanted to buy some Shiba Inu right there, so we're just waiting for it to fill up. So what we're going to do now, we're going to buy some Doge, right? So this is the price they recommended that we buy with, and I just want to come here and see which one is the best price we can use. 3,3586. Okay, let's see how far that is. 3,2568. Okay, just have to make sure which price we buy with, right? So okay, let's come here. So how much I'm going to use? Okay, I just have to use everything I have here. All right, so how many Doge I might have? It's about 134. It's not a lot, but it's cool, you know. And then we can see how much we're going to. So this is our BUSD here. Okay, so let's put our order in. Okay, so that's what we're going to buy from. So I think that's it for this video, guys. So we're just gonna wait for this to fill up, and then we can own some Doge and Shiba Inu. So I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.